To import Monday.com columns, start by preparing your data in a CSV file, making sure it is organized and formatted correctly. Each column in your CSV file will correspond to a column in your Monday.com board. Next, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to import the columns. Click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the board to open the column center. Then select the import option. Choose the CSV file you prepared earlier and select the columns you want to import. You can choose to import the columns as new columns or merge them with existing columns. Make sure to map the columns correctly to ensure the data is imported into the right place. If your CSV file contains multiple sheets, you can select the specific sheet you want to import. You can also choose to import the first row as column names or skip it if it contains unnecessary data. Once you have selected the columns and configured the import settings, click Import to start the process. Monday.com will import the columns and data from your CSV file, and you can verify the results by checking the board. It is essential to test the import process with a small dataset before importing a large amount of data to ensure everything works as expected. This will help you identify any issues and make necessary adjustments before proceeding with the full import. Best practices for importing Monday.com columns include keeping your data organized, using clear and descriptive column names, and testing the import process thoroughly. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import Monday.com columns and start working with your data efficiently. Remember to always back up your data before making any changes to your board. And take advantage of Monday.com's support resources if you encounter any issues during the import process. With these tips and guidelines, you can master the process of importing Monday.com columns and take your workflow to the next level.